Have you ever struggled to lift something you used to handle with ease? This can be due to sarcopenia, a condition characterized by the loss of muscle mass and strength as we age. Sarcopenia typically begins around the age of 40 and accelerates after 60, leading to decreased mobility, balance, and overall physical function. Sarcopenia isn't just about aging. It can lead to serious health issues, increasing the risk of falls and fractures and reducing quality of life. But there is good news. Strength training is the only activity proven to slow the progression of sarcopenia and reduce its effects. Strength training involves exercises that improve muscle strength and endurance. It's never too late to start. Even moderate strength training can help rebuild muscle mass, improve balance, and boost overall health. Don't let sarcopenia hold you back. Embrace strength training and maintain your strength and independence as you age.